Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we'll discuss the most important questions of 1, 2, 5 and 10 marks for VFR semester education. I have created this video by combining the syllabus of many universities of Assam, so it will be helpful for all of you in your exam preparations. In the last video, many of you commented that we need questions paper in Assamese also. That's why I have created क्वेश्चंस इन असमीज ऑल्सो। आप लोग वेट जाइए पेन एंड पेपर लेके एंड नोट डाउन कीजिए आप लोगों का फाइनल एंड सेशनल एग्जाम का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस द 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन। तो देखिए इधर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डिफाइन एजुकेशन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मेंशन वन स्कोप ऑफ एजुकेशन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 राइट वन फंक्शन ऑफ एजुकेशन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हु इज द पायनियर ऑफ complete living aim of education. Question number 5. Mention one agency of formal education. Question number 6. What is the distance education? Question number 7. Write one type of curriculum. Question number 8. What is discipline? Question number 9. Mention one democratic aim of education. Question number 10. And the last question. Write one function of school. Now we will discuss 2 marks question. Question number 1. Write two functions of education. Question number 2. Mention two forms of education. Next, write two aims of education in democracy. Next, mention two functions of school. Question number 5. State two importance of curriculum. Question number 6. Mention two types of discipline. Question number 7. Write two features of distance education. Question number 8. Mention two duties of a teacher towards the community. Question number 9. State two principles of curriculum construction. Question number 10 and the last question. Mention two forms of co-curriculum activities. Now we will discuss the 5 marks question. Question number 1. Explain the meaning, nature and scope of education. Question number 2. Discuss the functions of education. Question number 3. Write short notes on formal, informal and non-formal education. Question number 4. Discuss the role of school and family as agencies of education. Question number 5. Write a note on individual versus social aim of education. Question number 6. Write about the importance of curriculum in education. Question number 7. Write short notes on discipline versus order. Question number 8. What is freedom? Discuss the relation between freedom and discipline. Question number 9. Write a note on the role of school in community development. Question number 10. Write about the importance of co-curricular activities. Now we will discuss the very important questions of 10 marks. See here. Question number 1. Define education. Discuss the meaning, nature and scope with examples. Question number 2. Discuss the aim of education with special reference to liberal and vocational aims. Question number 3. Explain the importance of education in a democratic society. Question number 4. Discuss the determinants of aims of education. Question number 5. Discuss about the philosophical base of curriculum construction, idealism, naturalism and pragmatism. Question number 6. Explain the importance of discipline in school and methods of maintaining discipline. Question number 7. Discuss the meaning and importance of freedom in education. Question number 8. Write about the development and present status of distance and open education in India. Question number 9. Explain the relationship between school and society. Question number 10. Discuss the role of teachers and administrators in democratic एजुकेशन। आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों के पास अच्छा लगा है तो आप लोग वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।